What?
The day of July 10th, 2019, there was a rumor going around that in Arizona, there was fish going in pools. There was like a shark fish going in pools. And then, after that, two of the people that were recording, they were going in their pool because they didn't know about it, and both of them got bit.
They did. A shark bit.
It wasn't a shark.
Okay, so now we're going to dry close. So you need to check your filter. Get your lint out so you don't set your house on fire. And then check the dryer. Yep, we got stuff in the dryer. We gotta get it out. Where's that water come from? Anyway, okay. Let's get these clothes out. Okay, let me go put these up, and I'll be back. And then we get our clothes out the dryer and the washing machine. I washed my shoes because I went shopping the other day. And I messed in the yard a little bit. Clothes in the dryer. Let my shoes dry. Shoestring is not fun with clothes. Take the shoes and let them dry. Put our clothes in the dryer. In the dryer. Then we're going to set our timer to efficiency, and then we push start. Just try it. Becky's going to do the folding of those clothes later today, and we'll videotape that and show y'all, and I'll see y'all next time.